Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to connect Fitbit to Strava. Are you having trouble connecting your Fitbit to Strava account? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. From the Strava mobile app. For iOS users, you can go to the settings, applications, services and devices, connect a new device to Strava, then click on Fitbit. Or else you can just open the app itself and you'll be obviously seeing the icon which says connect a GPS watch or computer. Click on it. Select Fitbit. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it. 2. Using Health Connect. Log into your account on the app or website of a company that offers Fitbit integration. Find the option to connect another account under Apps or Connect. Visit strava.fitbit.com and click Connect. Then log into your Strava account and authorize the connection. 3. Additional information such as Fitbit activities will automatically show up on Strava when connected. Runs and rides tracked via Strava will contribute to your Fitbit all-day stats like calories and active minutes. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to connect your Fitbit, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.